Hey, Mr. Garage here, and this is going to be one of many short tool reviews. Check out all my videos. It's going to get to the point on the tool that you might want to buy that's in this video. So let's take a look. All right, so we got the P781 Ryobi light here. Now it looks like a little lantern because I think that's exactly what Ryobi wanted it to be. I've got a couple of these. The pros to this light are the battery life is virtually infinite on these. We take these camping, and one 4 amp hour battery pack we get several nights, and we leave it on all night long and just shut it off the next morning, and we get several nights out of it without draining that battery pack all the way. So that's one of the huge pros, and it also has a USB charger on it. But that's one of the huge pros of this little light is just the lifespan. It's great for like your cooking area or certain areas of the campsite you just want a little bit of light around. And that's what it works well at. What it kind of sucks at, some of the cons are it's dim. Like I said, it just provides area lighting, and that's again probably what Ryobi wanted it to do. Is very low power consumption, but just kind of flood the area with general light. So we use 2 of these camping, and it works out perfectly. Let's go take a look at what it looks like outside. Now this is exactly what I was talking about with the P781. This little light throws a nice area light. It's great for camp tables, kind of cooking areas, that kind of thing at a campsite. This thing is great for that purpose. And again, the battery life is just ridiculous with this little light, since really all it has is one LED in it that shines down on a reflector and then kind of distributes light outwards. So it's very, very power efficient. But yeah, highly recommend this light if you guys want to take your Ryobi stuff up camping with you like we do, and just throw a battery pack in there and it's going to last your whole camping trip most likely. So yeah, appreciate you guys watching. I will catch you later.